Hey, good morning, traders. Welcome to the next way trading. Today is my second session with this turbo strategy for binary options. And let's go to explain how to trade with this strategy using the Bollinger Bands, using the CCI indicator, and using the stochastic oscillator too. Let's go to explain quickly how to set up and how to trade with this. Well, we are going to trade an oversouls using oversouls and overbuys with the three indicators. Actually, this is the oversouls or overbuys, so we waiting for that for those opportunity and trade for 2 minutes when these three indicators have overbuy or oversold. Depend what direction we're gonna take it is, because in case it's overbuy, we trade for the sell. That's it. This is the only way we are gonna trade with this strategy for binary options. Look in the charts. Ooh, this is was my mistake. Look at the charts in 1 minute to trade for 2 minutes. This is the how we are gonna look at it. Look at the chart in 1 minute, trade for 2 minutes, and oversales and or overbuys. Here, me maybe enter too early with this trade. Let's go to wait to see how ended, and then let's go trying to recover. In the morning, we have only one trade, so we earning $1,000, $900, just in that short trade, just that short video explaining how to set up and configure the indicators with that strategy for binary options. For today's video, or for now, this video, the second session using the broker pocket option, let's go to see how we can earn money with this strategy. And so we have two in the morning, one out of the morning. Let's go to wait for another one. Let's go to find another example. We lost the last one, but doesn't want my mistake. The market was crazy. Look at this, it's changing right now. So let's go to wait. This is another trade. Let's go to see the moves. This one. Remember, in this case, I trade for buy because we have a stronger uptrend. We are gonna see it later. We have here the reversal moves, and we have here to cross on the stochastic oscillator almost oversold. So we have 2 of 3 confirmations. This is another one, but this indicator sometimes moves rank. Let's wait, maybe enter too late. Was my mistake, obviously. We have another one in the money. Let's go to it to see how ending this one. That's in the money. So guys, I really hope so this video like it. We have 4 in the money, 2 out the money. I think is a good number for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, stay tuned, because we are gonna upload more videos in trading and live trading sessions with this strategy for binary options, and I will teach you more strategies you can use in your daily trade. Every morning, every afternoon, anytime if you want it, with different type of markets, OTC or normal market. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.